Prepare to witness something that will change everything you think about robots. A video is sweeping social media, revealing a Chinese robot nearly 6 feet tall and weighing 200 pounds, moving with breathtaking agility. But this is just the beginning. What this robot does next will leave you speechless. Are you ready to step into this futuristic world? The video opens with a dramatic scene. A lone figure steps into a dimly lit space, cut only by a single sharp beam of light. Suspense hangs heavy in the air. You can feel that something monumental is about to unfold. And then it appears. The robot, emerging from the shadows with precise, fluid movements. It's like a scene ripped from a sci-fi film, yet this is real. No CGI, no tricks. Yes, you read that correctly. Everything in the video is real. China has just elevated the robotics game to an unprecedented level. But wait, there's more. The robot doesn't just walk. It runs, it leaps, it kicks, and it even dances. Yes, you read that correctly. It dances, with movements rivaling those of a trained human. The robot executes a series of maneuvers that seem impossible for a machine. You have to see it to believe it. Every frame of the video is proof of how far technology has advanced. And there's more. You'll want to know what it does next. The video doesn't stop there. In a moment of pure adrenaline, the robot faces a human adversary in simulated combat. The movements are so swift and precise, you can barely keep up. It's a spectacle of technology and sheer skill. But what's most impressive is the robot's ability to learn and adapt in real time. This isn't just a robot, it's a revolution. And then, the video takes an unexpected turn. The robot, which once seemed like a war machine, is seen interacting with a child in a park. It walks, it plays, and even teaches movements. It's a reminder that technology can be used for good, for education, and for human interaction. But there's more. What else can it do? You need to watch until the very end to find out. This video isn't just about a robot, it's about the future. It's about how China is leading the robotic revolution, with applications ranging from combat competitions to public safety and beyond. Every second of this video is an invitation to imagine a world where robots are part of our daily lives. You can't miss this. Watch until the end and prepare to be truly surprised. And there's more. You'll want to share this with everyone you know. Click play and prepare for a journey that will leave you speechless. You need to see this to believe it. And then come back here and tell me what you thought. The future is here, and it's more incredible than you ever imagined. From all of us at Caminos Ilimitados, we thank you for joining us on this incredible journey into the future of robotics. If you were as amazed as we were, please like this video, leave your thoughts in the comments below, and subscribe to Caminos Ilimitados for more mind-bending discoveries.